Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. They represent around 20% of all mammal species. Over 1,400 bat species exist worldwide except polar regions. Their wings are extensions of skin between finger bones. Wings enable precise flying and maneuvering. Bat sizes vary from small to large. Bats play crucial ecological roles, like controlling insects. They also aid in seed dispersal by eating fruit. Echolocation helps bats navigate and hunt at night. High-frequency sounds allow them to detect objects. Bats are divided into insectivorous and fruit-eating. Bats reproduce mainly in spring or summer. Some species give birth to one pup, others multiple. Young bats need extended maternal care after birth. Threats include habitat loss, diseases, and hunting. Protecting bats is vital for ecological balance.